If you've ever have typed a comment and deleted it because you were afraid of being judged, this is for you. Around here, we're done with "you should" and real moms talk. New motherhood is tender, messy, and holy work. Your baby, your body, your home, your lane. I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse, and my mission is simple: help first-time moms feel supported, informed, and seen, especially in those first 12 weeks, without pressure to parent exactly like anyone else. This channel exists to protect your confidence, not police your choices. Here's the pattern I see. Someone turns their personal choice into a universal rule. Then it spreads like glitter. You must breastfeed. You must formula feed. You must sleep train. You must never sleep train. That's mom shaming dressed up as help. It shrinks our courage and confuses the basics. Here, we swap rules for principles. Safety first. Evidence plus your provider. Self-trust. You are the expert on your baby. Support over judgment. Kind beats correct. Every time. I love a checklist as much as anyone. But newborns have not read our color-coded calendars. In those early weeks, flexible structure beats micromanagement. What does that look like? Feed your baby when they show hunger cues. It might be every 2 to 3 hours, sometimes more often. Tiny tummies, big growth. Protect safe sleep and your rest. Aim for back sleeping on a flat, empty surface. If today looks imperfect, tomorrow is another shot. Choose tools that help you today. Nursing, pumping, formula, combo feeding. Your family, your call. The goal isn't to win parenting. It's to keep everyone fed, safe, and loved while you heal. We assume good intent. Most strong opinions come from anxiety, not malice. You can say, "Thanks for caring," and still do what works at home. We believe there isn't a mom here trying to harm her baby. So let's be gentler with each other and with ourselves. Shame has never changed a 3 a.m. diaper. Kindness does. If breastfeeding works for you, beautiful. If formula feeding gives you peace, also beautiful. If a schedule calms your brain, use one. If you're going with the flow, also valid. If your baby naps best on you while you're awake and supervising, that may be the same choice for today. Different paths, same outcomes we all want. A safe, loved baby and a supported, healing mom. This is a no mom shaming zone. We're not dealing with that. We delete shaming and clear misinformation. We keep respectful differences. If you see a harsh comment, don't engage. Report it, and I'll handle cleanup. Your energy belongs to your recovery, not to internet battles. If this resonates, type "kindness wins" in the comment and share one choice you're proud of this week, big or small. Hit subscribe if you want steady, evidence-based support without judgment. And if you need extra help, I've linked simple instructions below to make nights and feeds easier. Thank you for spending time with me today. Hit that like button so we can continue to connect and provide support to all new working moms out there who needs kindness, not judgment. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.